Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a on-site diagnosis problem. So the machine has been reported as having lack of power. So we're just going to try and start it up now, see if we can see what the issue is. We'll preheat it as normal and just see if she starts. Nope. Okay. Someone has pressed the stop button, so that won't help. And we've got fuel in the system, so that's okay. And the fuel is on. Right. I think what we'll do is we'll give it a bit of extra help. Right, okay, so it didn't fire up, and I'm guessing that the fuel is not getting through. I've had this before, so we're just going to try and bleed these two screws off here. Hope we get some fuel out. If we get fuel out of here, that should be job done. There's no fuel coming out yet. There's actually two on here, so we'll just do both of them, snacking them off. I'll probably need to just bleed off the fuel to the top of the pump. I've got this one just here to crack off as well, but mainly I think it's going to be the fuel not coming out of here. I've had this before on this engine. It's just no reason for it other than the hire has run out of fuel. Normally when they've run out of fuel, that will cause the same issue. So I've got a bit of fuel coming out now. That's fine. That's okay. That one's bled. And we're just going to try this one here. Yep, there's plenty of fuel coming out there. Okay. Right, that's those two done. So we'll just screw those back up. And then I'll just check we've got fuel coming into the top of the pump. If I haven't got fuel coming into the top of the pump, then we'll have to just see why that is. There'll be a blockage somewhere. Right, we'll get the screwdriver on that. So this will be 17mm on here to undo. I only carry sort of basic tools on site to carry out some of these diagnoses, but this one should never find the right spanner. 17. Okay, that's enough fuel there, so I need a 14 now just to test the coming into the top of the pump. Right, and there is no fuel there at the moment. Right, I've got a bit of fuel there now, so what I'll do is I'll just crack that back up and we'll attempt to start it again, see if she fires up. No. Okay, success. There was a air lock in the fuel system, so I'm able to get it going, and I've just had enough battery power, so I'm just going to test it now. Okay, that was a nice simple fix. So I've bled the fuel system off. I've cracked open the I'll just show you, there's an inlet there that comes out. The inlet there, that comes into the top of the pump. Cracked that off. I got fuel through there. Then I pulled the decompression lever over, pumped all the fuel through, let go, and it started, and then it stopped. And then remembered I had to turn the fuel tap back on. So I turned the fuel tap back on. I had just enough battery to crank it over with the pressure relief valve pulled over, and it started. So I've just run it and put some stuff through. We just crushed a little pile here, look. So this machine's fixed. It was relatively simple, and hopefully that'll be up and running. And of course they'd press the stop button, which I tell everybody not to do. But that's done. So yep, a good shout, a good easy fix. On to the next one.